If you have trouble latching your side pod down, it may take a little extra effort to get the bottom hook in place. This side pod, if you notice, when I go to press it down, clicks but then doesn't catch. So you can see the red slider is going backwards, but it's not springing forward to lock and engage the lower hook. In this instance, we have to press down and then press again until you hear the second click, and now you've seen the red slider slide all the way forward and fully home. It's always important to test the side pod like this before putting the shield on to make sure that the pod is in place.